Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So because we want to cancel about the square root, we need to put the power number 2 in here. But this one that is about a minus b, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. Now we do the same for this one. So this one in here, we have 1 minus s minus number 1. This one in here, we have 1 plus s minus number 1. So number 1 minus number 1 we cancel, and we just have only negative s. This one we have positive s. Now we need to simplify s and s. Next, I will put number 0 cone here, and this one too. And now we have the final answer. So we put number 0 cone here and number 0 cone here. So we simplified and we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.